What's up, guys? Hope today you're all doing great. You're all doing pretty good. And today, like I'm back with another NCH Software Academy, and we are focusing on Express Animate, as you already know. Um, and in this video, guys, we will be like focusing um on some basics on Express Animate. So before I do anything, I would love like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for the love you all guys you've been showing me love. All like the likes, all the comments, the people who are subscribing. That really means a lot. So let's get into it without wasting any time. So as you already know, like if like you've been like a big fan of my Express Animate classes, you'll know like I will using like a lot of a custom shape, because for me like it just create everything for me very easy. I can create like a face, a car, and I think a car is one thing that we never created. Okay, let's go for a car. Let's go for a car. What kind of a car we will be creating? um let's go for a car. You gotta just plan it before you do anything. You just have to plan it. Just let me just try to draw like a bus. Yeah, let me just go for a bus. Um, should I go for a bus? I'm just trying to think for to draw a bus or to draw a person. I'm just trying to think which one should I do. Mm, okay, this is how I will do it. Um, Sometimes you gotta do things which are challenging. If you want to be the best, sometimes you gotta do things which are challenging. You'll never be good like doing things like you can do always. Like I never did any bus. I never did a bus. Um, I never created a bus. Mm, mm, what should I do from here? Just rename it. Adore. Mm, mm. Guys, just try to imagine whatever you'll be doing um, on your head. Just try to imagine it. Uh, I'm also like another pretty good drawer though. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of people who can draw better than me. Mm, mm. So, what else can I do? Just do this. Do like a bit of a big window. Buses usually have like big windows. When was the last time I took a bus? It's been some years now. Control C, Control V. Um, I'm just lying. It's been hours. I took a bus yesterday. Mm, mm, Let me call it a bus, a window. Call it like a first bus window. Okay. Why is everything black? Do you want me to color it? Okay, let's just color it. Just click here, click change fill, click here, you go to blue, give it a little bit of a light blue. uh, that's the color that I'll be going with. Click here, click change color fill, click there, click here, just select the same color. um, what color will be our door? Change color fill. I really don't know. mm, mm, Let me just write line 1. mm, the problem with this is that I can't I can't move it. Let me just change of color fill. Good. Let me use this one. mm, what do we call this? I don't know, but for now I will go with a Winstrain. Change a little bit of a color. uh, Change a little bit of a color there. Are we just drawing here, or we still gonna animate this? Because like the way I'm drawing it, it doesn't seem as I'm planning to animate it. Just to be honest. Control C, Control V. I don't think so. I don't think we're animating this one for real. Uh, don't ask me where have I ever saw like a yellow traffic lights. I don't know. I also don't know where I have ever saw those, but I just mm, what do they call those? I really don't know. What is the color of a license plate? No, guys, I'm running out of ideas. No, guys, I'm running out of ideas. No, guys, I'm running out of ideas for real. No, guys, I'm running out of ideas for real. I don't know, even know where is the driver steering wheel. I really don't know, just to be honest. Mm, but for now, I'll put on this side. Mm, what's that? That's a pretty good thing, though. Guys, sorry, I quit. I quit. I failed to draw a car. I failed to draw a bus. I can't draw a bus.